Abracadabra! Nothing's happening! Welcome back mga kapatid. Gusto ko kapatid nila Jericho, Alan at JR. Pasok mga kapatid. Ayan, kung kanina pinakitaan nila tayo ng mga special Harry Potter, ngayon naman ipapakita nila sa atin ang kanilang mga rare collection ng Harry Potter merchandise. Siyempre, since Thursday na, lalabas na yung pinakahuling installment ng Harry Potter.
Yeah. Dala namin ngayon yung mga rare collections namin, including yung books, action figures, mga prop replicas, mga busts, at saka mga DVDs and other rare items.
Okay, para sa mga Harry Potter fans dyan, simulan na natin sa mga wands, kasi hawak ko na. Okay? So, these are all actually replicas na mga, syempre, kung Harry Potter fan ka, malalaman mo na yung wand is very unique to the wizard. So, lahat ba to? Kaninong wand to sa movie?
Yan, Ron Weasley.
Ron Weasley's wand, which is?
Yung best friend ni Harry Potter.
No. Ano yung wand niya?
Wand is made out of, ano siya second hand.
From the brothers. Tama. And these are?
Hermione Granger's Grapevine.
Grapevine. 11 inches?
More or less.
More or less 10 inches. So, hindi naman nahanap yung mga wands na to?
Yung karamihan ng wands, binibili pa namin from the US. Kasi wala available dito sa Philippines.
Okay, so Hermione, Ron, ito naman.
Voldemort. Kaya mukha siyang buto.
Gusto ko ito naman.
Yan yung Harry Potter. Wand ni Harry Potter.
Ito yung wand ni Harry Potter. Ito ba yung Phoenix wand?
Yes.
Okay. And then ito?
Yan, this is the Elder Wand or yung wand ni Dumbledore.
So, okay.
Sa mga nakapanood
Harry Potter's wand or do I want Dumbledore's wand? I'm not sure. Okay. Yung mga iba pa.
Ayan, ito DVDs. Ano to actually? Para siyang set na may collection siya.
Okay. Akala ko parang journal. May journal kasi siya. Ano yung pinakakaiba nito sa mga regular DVDs na available dito?
Ito actually high definition to. Tapos meron siya kasamang bookmark collection.
Bookmark! These are bookmarks. Yes. That's cool naman ito. So you have the Snitch, you have yung Gryffindor crest, at yung mga iba pang icons from the film. And of course, yung mga action figures nyo. Meron kayong
Fluffy from the first movie. Tapos yung trio, si Ron, si Harry, si Hermione. Hindi ko si Voldemort. Another Harry Potter, and then si Dumbledore.
Okay, ano yung mga ito naman?
Ito, mga books yung nabibili from bookstores.
Ano yan? Yung fluffy.
Ito, this is from the third movie, The Monster Book of Monsters.
Oh.
So,
walang monsters sa loob. Okay. Kayo naman, you guys are from Hogwarts, Philippines. So, paano kayo nag-start maging fans ng Harry Potter?
Well, naging fans kami basically obviously sa books before. Tapos, there was one time nagkaroon ng contest sa isang bookstore. And then doon nag-meet yung founders ng Harry Potter Philippines. Dalawa sila. Since yung style kasi nung group namin, pina-follow namin yung Hogwarts. So,
may sorting pa rin ba kayo?
May sorting kami.
Paano nyo malalaman? Kasi yung mga fans ng movie, alam nila na parang may sorting hat yan. May sorting hat din ba kayo?
Somehow, yung sorting namin is done to our forums. So, they have to log into our forums, hogwartschills.forummotion.com.
Okay,
so, mag-log in sila doon. Then, after they register with us, they will try to send a private message sa aming sorting officer.
Sorting
to be
officer?
sorted.
Okay, and yung mga robes nyo, saan yung nakukuha?
Nagkaroon yung time kasi na nag-start na yung Harry Potter. Tapos, nagkakaroon ng mga convention. Meron kaming isang member na nagtatahi talaga siya ng Harry Potter robes. So as you can see, this is from Hufflepuff and same yung gumawa nito.
Kasya ba yan sa akin?
Masyado malaki siguro. Pero pwede ka namin pagawa.
Okay. Gun ko na sana eh. Okay, and ano naman yung mga kwela niyo for Thursday? Of course, upcoming the fourth installation. The final
Most of
installation.
the members plan namin, especially sa weekend, manonood kami sabay-sabay. In costume. Especially sa IMAX.
And yung mga various na mga na-costume like si Epic may magbebelan or yung mga other characters.
May Snape.
Anong nararamdaman niyo na ngayon na mag-end na yung Harry Potter series in terms of the film? Kasi syempre yung libro matagal nang tapos, di ba? But in terms of the movie installment.
sa tingin naman namin, it will not end with just the movies. There's still the books. We will still enjoy the books forever. Lagi namin mababasa yun. So, yun.
Okay. If you mentioned earlier na may website kayo, ano again?
It's hogwartsfills.forummotion.com.
Okay. And siguro someday, sana, ma-figure out yung kung paano talagang magana ng spells dyan. Thank you very much for coming. Thanks, guys, for joining us today. Harry Potter, indeed, very phenomenal yan, diba? And it's capturing the hearts of everyone. Bata man, teenager, at pati na rin yung adults. It shows naman, diba? Just by looking at these very expensive costumes, yung mga collectibles. Teka, mahal ba yung costumes niyo? Medyo. Yes, that's a yes.
For a student.
Kahit patapos na ang Harry Potter series, sigurado naman tayo na sa puso at isipan, we will always be his magical fans. At para sa hyper at active na usapan, lagi nyo kaming samahan dito and let's turn your mornings into active mornings. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, ganito. Ngayon naman, magmamagic ako para mapunta sa Manuka, si Makata. Abracadabra, Makata!